Gainers and losers, key stocks today. Stocks that gained. Mishra Dhatu Nigam. Current price, 350 rupees and 60 paise, plus 10.08%. Sources say that the Defence Acquisition Council has approved defence deals worth 80,000 crore rupees. This news triggered a sharp rise in this defence stock. Jaya Balaji Industries. Current price, 69 rupees and 84 paise, plus 8.94%. Metal stocks strengthened due to a rise in global metal prices. Expectations that the US Federal Reserve may cut key interest rates in 2026 also supported the metal sector. Hague. Current price, 601 rupees and 50 paise, plus 7.53%. During the day, the stock touched a high of 605 rupees and 85 paise on the BSE before easing slightly. Apart from heavy buying interest, no specific reason was identified for the rise. Coffee Day Enterprises. Current price, 37 rupees and 46 paise, plus 6.33%. Axis Bank approved a one-time settlement of the company's 70 crore rupees outstanding loan. The stock touched an intraday high of 38 rupees and 99 paise on the BSE. SolarWorld Energy Solutions. Current price, 279 rupees and 5 paise, plus 5.64%. The company received an EPC-based project from NTPC Renewable Energy Limited. The project is a 250 megawatts AC solar PV project with a total value of approximately 725.33 crore rupees. Stocks that declined. Timex Group India. Current price, 329 rupees and 50 paise, minus 6.33%. Promoter Timex Group Luxury Watches BV will sell 4.47% stake through an OFS. The sale will take place on December 29 and 30 and includes 45.09 lakh equity shares. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. Current price, 367 rupees and 60 paise, minus 5.25%. After rising for 5 consecutive trading sessions, railway stocks declined on Monday due to profit booking by investors. IRFC, Indian Railway Finance Corporation. Current price, 126 rupees and 45 paise, minus 5.28%. The stock hit an intraday low of 125 rupees and 75 paise. The company's market capitalization fell to 1.65 lakh rupees crore. Sigachi Industries. Current price, 32 rupees and 30 paise, minus 4.89%. The managing director and CEO, Amit Raj Sinha, was taken into custody in connection with an investigation related to a fire at one of the company's plants. A major fire broke out at Sigachi Industries Hyderabad plant on June 30. Hindustan Zinc. Current price, 618 rupees and 50 paise, minus 2.87%. A sharp fall in silver prices impacted the stock. Although silver prices hit an all-time high earlier in the session in international markets and on MCX, they later dropped nearly 8% due to heavy profit booking.